Hey, this is Sunny from Divas for a Cure. I'm a member of the World of Soul, and I'm always interested in imparting information and adding value to the things that we do out in the motorcycle community that changes and impacts the image. I was calling in particularly because I wanted to hear what you had going on with the initiative Rush. Money, are you going to talk about that a little bit?
Well, yes. Thank you so much for asking. RUSH is an acronym for Riders United to Serve Humanity. The whole objective of Riders United to Serve Humanity is to build a national coalition of motorcyclists, motorcycle clubs, motorcycle-related organizations working together to streamline the effectiveness of their community-oriented projects. For example, now, Jan, you have an organization. It's called?
Divas for a Cure profiled us on the World of Soul in the motorcycle community and given us some positive avenues in which to impart information. Divas for a Cure is about bringing women together, uniting passions with a purpose. Many of us are now have gotten off the back seat and taken the front seat, and we're riding our own bikes. And I challenged women in 2006 to ride with me across country. And in my first ride, we rode 8,600 miles and raised $25,000. And those funds were dedicated to breast cancer research, and we delivered that money directly to a hospital who had a research center attached to it under the auspices of the university. I am a 4-time breast cancer survivor, so having an avenue to get that information out, like the World of Soul, made all the difference in the world to me, and it's why I was interested in becoming a part of RUSH. I think it's important that we unite together on a united front to disseminate positive information to affect the change, and to get good information out there in the minority community and that which affects women and minority women in particular, like myself. I'm a rider, but I'm also a survivor. So, Money, my helmet off to you for being about your business of imparting good information in the motorcycle community. As a member of the World of Soul, I'm proud to be a part of it and really want to get more involved in RUSH. I think this is fantastic to join all these positive forces together. So I salute all of you who are involved in this project.
World of Soul! MC.com